welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I have an exciting demonstration using this product right here. It's the AOA Studio Brow Gel in the color dark brown. I picked it up from Shop Miss A. I did a haul, so I'll link it above so you can check it out because I picked up a few goodies. I wanted to make this demonstration a little bit interesting. So on one brow, I just used the brow gel, and on the other brow, I used the brow gel and an eyebrow pencil, my favorite one, which is by Annabelle. I wanted you guys to get an idea of how it would look on top of your favorite brow pencil or brow product. And for those of you as well that are not into, you know, doing the most with your brows and you just want a brow gel to give yourself some definition, I wanted to show you what it would look like doing that as well. So I don't know if you guys can tell which brow is which. Let me know in the comments below if you're able to tell which brow is which. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited to get started. So let's go ahead and move on to the demonstration. All right, so what I wanted to do was have one brow already filled in with my brow pencil by Annabelle. You know, it's my favorite pencil to use for my brows. And my other brow, I just left as it is because I want to see what it would look like if I just use this product on its own and what it would look like if I used it on top of a pencil. I'm just gonna use this little brush here that comes with the Benefit Ka-Brow. Just take a little bit. Listen, I've never used this before, so I don't even know if I'm doing it right, to be honest. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and just take it as I need it. I think that might be easier to do, and I'm just gonna take a little bit because I don't know how pigmented this thing is, so wish me luck. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. I don't mind it at all. I'm just gonna, just a touch in the front, just a touch, because I don't like them dark in the front and boxy, so just a touch, just a touch. Just gonna get some concealer. I'm using my LA Pro Conceal, just a dab. I think it's in the shade Chestnut. Just a dab. I just wanna clean up a little bit. I'm just gonna use my finger and just blend it out a little bit. I didn't even apply more to do the top part because I put foundation on. I did my face for some stupid reason, but I don't want to ruin it. How's it looking, y'all? Think it's too dark, or I like it. Okay, so time to do this brow now that has no product on it whatsoever. So let's start by grooming the brow and just take a spoolie to do that. I like to just brush up. I'm just gonna take what's left over on the back of my hand. I am nervous because I feel like it's gonna be too dark. If you're not into using pencils and you just wanna use the gel, let's see how it's gonna look. I don't know, just wish me luck. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. Okay, let's get some more. Drying on my hand pretty fast. Gotta hurry. And just use light strokes, y'all. Just don't be heavy-handed. Don't be like, Just like light strokes. All right? My brows are so uneven. I haven't had them threaded in over a year, you guys. They're a disaster. I didn't miss any spots. Gonna get my concealer. Just a dab. I'm just gonna take my finger and blend that out. There we go. So that's the other eye. So what do you guys think? Do you like this eyebrow where it was just the eyebrow gel? Or do you like this one where I used my favorite eyebrow product and the gel on top? I like them both, really. That's everything to my video. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos using Shop Miss A products, let me know down below because I really enjoy them. They're kind of fun. You know, trying it out for the first time with you guys watching. I really like it. So for sure, let me know. And if you have any other questions, of course, I'll definitely answer them for you. Now, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my cool videos. That was so cheesy. And subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. Tell your mama, your sister, your grandma, tell them to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.